This customer wants to add a 30 amp receptacle in his garage. He wants to put it right here. So the first thing I'm gonna do is cut out my box right here, and I have a stud right here. My panel box is on the other side of the wall right here. So I'm gonna drill this stud, and then on the other side, I'm gonna take the KO out of the bottom of the panel here, and after I drill in that, I'll snake down and run my wire to the panel here. I'm gonna remove these two 20 amp breakers and this 30 amp breaker and install a quad 3020, so it'll leave me space for my new GFI 30 amp breaker for the EV charger in the garage. So I got my box traced out exactly where the customer wants the outlet, and now I can cut it out. Firebox there. So when I was cutting the box out, I hit a firebox, so I had to move it down a little bit, and now I can cut it out. Okay, so now I got my box cut out. Now I can drill through this stud and snake up to the panel. Just like that. So on the panel side, I need to remove the 3/4 KO. Half inch out, and then we'll take this piece out to make it 3/4. Now I have a 3/4 hole, and I can snake to the box I just cut out. After removing the KO, I tried to stick my pole wire down, but I have a fire block right below the panel. So I'm gonna drill it with my 90-degree angle bit, and then I can try to snake through the fire block and the hole that I drilled on the other side. So I drilled through the fire block. Now I can stick my pole wire through the hole that I just drilled, and then I'll go to the other side of the wall and I'll catch this pole wire. So I'm gonna put a little hook on the end of the snake, and then I'll push it in this hole that I drilled, and we'll try to catch that pole wire. Just like that. So now I can tie my number 8 Romex, and I can pull from the panel to my box through the stud and the fire block. So now I got my 8.3 tied to the pull wire, and I can pull it up to the panel, going through the hole I drilled and then through the fire block hole. Now I got my wire here, pull enough to get my ground and my neutral to this side. Now I can put my Romex connector and put the box in the plug-in. So I landed my 8.3 into my cutting box, and then I'm gonna push the cutting box into the wall like that, and then I can tighten the screws. This top one is gonna be hitting the fire block, so I'm gonna have to put